Hello guys, I am playing Subway Surfers on my iPhone 8 today, and I'm trying to get some lanterns. So 3, 2, 1, let's play around. I see one. Boom. And the letter B. Let's try to get one more. Okay, I got one. Now let's try to get another one. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Try to get one more lantern in this video. I do not see one, so probably we're not gonna get one. I see a magnet, but I do not see a lantern. I see the letter, oh man, I died. I was gonna get the letter I, but then I died. Oh man. Let's try to play one more round to try to get my second lantern that I wanted. And I'm trying to get Ox for 80 keys, but I have 30 store keys right now. Hopefully I get enough soon. Come on, let's find one more lantern. I think I see it. Boom. Boom. Let's go. Okay. So, yeah. Hopefully I get some keys soon to get the Ox. So yeah, bye guys.